Dude, you ever heard of black heartbeat? That shit. It's different, bro. Go put your ear up to a black guy's chest, dude, which I know sounds very dangerous, right? Overall, it's, yeah. So I'm just saying, some guys, you can put your ear up to their chest, they might be okay with it. Some guys might get Draymond on you. But I think a black heartbeat is different. It's got drums. It got probably some 808s, trap beat. Like if you ever go to a doctor's office and he puts the stethoscope and he puts it up to a black guy's heart, he'll listen sometimes for 20 minutes. There's different tracks. You'll have somebody feature on somebody's heartbeat. Like, damn, holy shit, you got some big X the plug in you. But that black heartbeat, it's got cymbals. It's got, they got a horn section.